As we have already discussed in the class about the composition of MS Media, let us see that what all material is required for preparing the MS Media. We require stock solutions for the media preparation, and each stock has been labeled properly and contains respective nutrients in the composition as we have already discussed earlier. For preparing a solid media, we require solidifying agent agar as well. These are the culture tubes. You can see it has a wider mouth and are thicker than the normal test tubes. We use cotton or cloth plugs like these to seal these tubes. These are the culture jars which are also used for the tissue culture growth. We require measuring cylinder as well for measurements of the media. So let's just see everything required for preparing MS Media once more. These are the stock solutions and we just add it in the respective compositions as I will just tell you in a while. So these stocks are prepared and they can be stored in the refrigerator for a longer period of time. Now, alternatively, if you do not have stock solutions or you do not have the time to prepare it sometimes, we can use this ready-made MS Media powder that we get from the industries. This already contains all the nutrients that are required for the growth of the plant. As we discussed before that for making 1 liter of MS Media along with the respective amounts of nutrients, we also add a carbon source that is 30 grams of sucrose and a solidifying agent that is 8 grams of agar powder. Now if you are using stocks for preparing the MS Media, we will add the constituents as listed on the screen. So we will add all these components in the respective volumes and weight as I have listed on the screen right now. However, if we are using the ready-made MS Media powder for preparing the media, then we will add the constituents as listed on the screen. As this ready-made media already contains the nutrients and sucrose, vitamins, etc., we just have to take the appropriate amount of this powder and then add agar as a solidifying agent in it. Please note that if we do not require solid media, then we have to skip the addition of agar powder. We will be using the ready-made MS Media powder today for preparing the solution. So I am just keeping all these stock bottles back in the fridge. So as you can see on the screen, we are using the ready-made MS Media powder. So I will take 34.4 grams of this powder and then add 8 grams of agar powder into it. And then I have to make the whole solution 1 liter by the addition of water. So that's all we have to do. And then we have to set the pH of this media to 5.8. So after adding everything in the solution, we have to set the pH of the media. The optimum pH of the MS Media is 5.8. So we use a pH meter to do that. Now that the pH is set and the media is ready, we need to autoclave it. Autoclaving of the media is important as we are going to perform tissue culture, and for that the media should be completely sterile to avoid any contamination problems. Before placing the autoclave, we place the cotton knob over the flask and seal it. After autoclaving the media, it is taken out from the autoclave very carefully. So the media is now ready for pouring into the Petri plates, culture jars or culture tubes. So this step should be performed very carefully as the media is very hot. Now we take this media directly into the laminar airflow. Before starting the pouring, we let the media to cool a little bit, and in the meantime we make sure that the laminar flow working bench has been sterilized properly with ethanol. Sterilize the hands with ethanol as well before touching the material inside the laminar. So we switch on the burner as well because we want to make sure that we are working in a contamination-free environment. So we work near the burner. Now we will pour the media in these Petri plates. These are the sterilized Petri plates for pouring the media. To make things easy, we lay all the Petri plates flat on the working bench and then gently pour the required media in each Petri plate. So laying the Petri plates like this makes it hassle-free. So it becomes very easy for pouring the media like that. Now, after the media has been cooled down, we will just pick it up very nicely, and then we are going to pour the media in each Petri plate. This step should be done very carefully. So after pouring off the media, what we are going to do, we are just going to leave the laminar airflow undisturbed for letting the media solidify. And it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the setting of the media. So after it gets solidified, you can either store them into the incubator or you can directly culture the explant. Thank you.